Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I like doing unboxings from different subscription services. So if you like watching unboxing videos, I would love for you to consider subscribing down below. It would mean the world to me. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for today, I have my second Rocksbox for the month of June. Last week, I just got my first Rocksbox. And for those of you who don't know what Rocksbox is basically a jewelry rental service. They charge you $21 a month. You can wear the pieces as long as you want. You send it back when you want. And if you decide to purchase it, they do have that option and your $21 will be subtracted off of your total. Now, I wanted to see if I sent my first box back, how long it would take for the turnaround to get the second box. And in between the two boxes, for me, I live in Ohio, it took 7 days. So I say that's pretty quick to get the second box. So I was pretty impressed with the shipping of that. It was super easy. And also, if you have never tried Rocksbox and you would like to try it for your first time, you will get your first month free. And I will leave the link down in the description box. Just click on the show more button and you will see where you can sign up for your first box for free. And basically that's it. The second box looks a little different than the first box, so I'm curious, is that normal? First box was really pretty and it had this pretty ribbon, but this is cute too. I'm just curious if that's how they do it. Like your first box will be in the typical Rocksbox box, and then the second one comes in a little slightly different one. So just food for thought. I'm just curious if that's normal. If anyone knows, let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and this is the way it looks. This is just tells you how to take care of your jewelry, and this is just saying hello. And it's, this might explain it about the box. This says, introducing our new seasonal box that's just as reusable as the last one, but is now 100% recyclable and made in the US. Be sure to keep the box to send back any pieces you don't want to keep. So that's good to know. I would keep the box and I put anything I don't want back in here and I will send it to them. And it's free shipping to send it back to also. Okay, and here is my invoice. Now, that's what I got, and if I kept all 3 pieces, it looks like it would be $102. So, if I decided to keep all 3 pieces, that would be $102. They would take the $21 off of that, and they'll also take an additional $10 if you keep all 3 pieces. So that would be 102 minus 31, which is what I would pay if I decide to purchase these items. Okay, so with that said, we're gonna go ahead and open it, and I'm going to try all the jewelry pieces on, and you guys tell me what you think. This is the way it looks on the inside. There is the return label that I will stick on the box, and I have 3 little bags of jewelry. So let me see what this first one is. This first one is from Kendra Scott, and this is a necklace, and that is the way it looks. And I will try this on and then give you all the information about it. Okay, here it is. Here's the first piece, and this was Kendra Scott, and this is the Eliza necklace in rose quartz. And if I chose to purchase if I chose to purchase just this necklace, it would cost $50. I love it. It is so pretty. I love a rose quartz. Okay, so the next one out is, this looks like a pair of earrings. I will try them on and then give you all the information about those. Okay, so here's the earrings that I have in, and these are from the company Dusk, and these are the Ansel ear jackets, and these would be $42. Now, if I didn't say these, I picked these out myself. You have that option when you go on their website. You can pick your pieces out if you would like, or you could have a stylist put it together for you. So right now I'm having fun, so I'm picking pieces out that I'm curious about. And I picked these out. I wanted these long dangly ones, so I thought they were really pretty. Now the second pair are very similar to these, and I'm going to go ahead and put these in, and I'll be right back and tell you about those. Okay, I am back with the second pair of earrings, and these are from the company Dusk also, and these are the Faye earrings in gold and pink opal, and these would be $46 if I should choose to buy these. Now I picked all three pieces of these out just to play with. I wanted to see what I thought about them. I'm really liking these. I don't have any earrings that are like this. Like I got one that's shorter than the other one, and I'm wondering, like, should I put the short one in the front and the longer one in back? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section if I wear it like this. Probably the short in the front would be better, huh? Okay, well, I'll look back at the video and then I'll make up my mind. So if you guys are liking these videos, please click the like and subscribe button down below. And until my next Rocksbox, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.